India's COVID-19 tally crossed the 62,000 mark today as the country recorded 62,939 cases, with the death toll rising to 2,109. The active cases stand at 41,472, while 19,357 people have been cured. 50 new coronavirus cases, including 26 who were returned from Gujarat and one returned from Karnataka, were reported in Andhra Pradesh in the last 24 hours. Now the total number of positive cases in Andhra Pradesh at 1,980. 3 days after a gas leak at a chemical plant in Andhra Pradesh's Visakhapatnam, which killed 11 people and affected at least 1,000 people, the National Disaster Management Authority on Sunday issued a detailed guidelines for restarting industries after the lockdown and the precautions to be taken for the safety of the plants as well as the workers. In a communication to all states and union territories, the NDMA said that due to several weeks of lockdown and the closure of industrial units, it is possible that some of the operators might not have followed the established standard operating procedures. As a result, some of the manufacturing facilities, pipelines, valves may have residual chemicals which may pose risk. The same is true for the storage facilities with hazardous chemicals and flammable materials. Nakula in North Sikkim became the latest theatre of confrontation between Indian and Chinese troops. On Saturday, around 150 soldiers on both the sides were involved in an aggressive confrontation that left 4 Indian soldiers and 7 Chinese soldiers injured. Confirming the incident, Army said aggressive behavior and minor injuries on both sides took place. It was disengaged after dialogue and interaction at local level. Nakula is a pass in North Sikkim located at a height of 5,000 meters. The confrontation took place when both Indian and Chinese troops were on regular patrolling. At least 5 migrant workers were killed and 11 others were injured after a truck they were travelling in overturned near Patha village in Narsinghpur, Madhya Pradesh late on Saturday night. The group of labourers were on their way in the truck carrying mangoes to Uttar Pradesh from Hyderabad in Telangana. The truck was laden with mangoes and it was going from Hyderabad to Agra. It was carrying a total of 18 people, including 2 drivers and a conductor. 5 out of these 18 people have died. 3 members of the White House Coronavirus Task Force, including Dr. Anthony Fauci, placed themselves in quarantine after contact with someone who had tested positive for COVID-19, which is another stark reminder that not even one of the nation's most secure buildings is immune from the virus. Dr. Fauci, the director of National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease and a leading member of the task force, has become nationally known for his simple and direct explanations to the public about the coronavirus and COVID-19. The disease is causes. Dr. Fauci, the director of National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease and a leading member of the task force, has become nationally known for his simple and direct explanations to the public about the coronavirus and COVID-19, the disease it causes. Also quarantining are Dr. Robert Redfield, Director of Center for Disease Control and Prevention, and the Commissioner of the Food and Drug Administration, Stephen Hahn.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.